Hi everyone, this is Idris from debugstips.com, and in this video I'm going to show you how to promote your ClickBank affiliate link using free BlogSpot page and Facebook social media. As you know, ClickBank has been in the system for more than 17 years, and many people are using this affiliate program, that's ClickBank affiliate program, to make thousands of dollars a week or a month. If you are a beginner or a newbie in the affiliate marketing, I hope you have been finding difficulties in driving much traffic to your affiliate link. I was also like that when I started with affiliate marketing, but lo and behold, I was able to find my way out, and in this video I'm going to show you how I do that. So first of all, what you have to do is to create a free BlogSpot account or a free BlogSpot page. BlogSpot is owned by Google and is free to create a page on it. What you have to do is to only have a Gmail account, and that's all. You are ready to go. Okay, then let's start. So I'm going to my BlogSpot account and then show you how you can create a new BlogSpot blog, and then show you the way to promote your affiliate link using this BlogSpot page. So this is one of my BlogSpot page. So if you are new to BlogSpot, what you have to do is to just go to blogger.com. You will then be brought to a page where you will be asked to sign in using your Gmail. You sign in. Once you sign in, you will be brought to this place. This is the dashboard. So once you are here, to create a new page, you click on this arrow, then you come down to this place where it says new blog. So you click on the new blog. So if this is the first time of you visiting BlogSpot or blogger.com, you will not go through the previous procedures that I've gone through. You will only be brought to this place where you have to put the title of your blog and the address for your blog. So here, let me give it a title. So I'm going to give it this title. Then the address too, I'm going to use the same address. So let's check and see whether it's available. Oh, it's not available. Let me remove this one. That's good. This one is all available. So here you select the template you want or the theme, then you click on create blog. So when you click on create blog, your blog page will be created. Okay, let's wait for it to load. Okay, so now the BlogSpot page has been created. So as you can see, there are no contents here, so you can view the blog to see the way it looks like before we start the actual customization and then the promotion. So this is how your blog will look like when you create it. This is how it will look like. So now once the blog is created, you have to come to this side and then select theme. When you click on theme, it will open the template theme. This is the HTML aspects of this theme. So you come and click on the edit HTML. So when you click on edit HTML, then it will open the HTML for this theme, the theme that you've selected for your blog. This one, it will bring the HTML code here for you to make some changes to the theme. So in this case, we wait for it to load, and then I'm going to give you a custom HTML code which has already been programmed. This code will help you to do what you want to do, that's promote your affiliate link direct using BlogSpot. So once you are here, there is a custom code which has already been written, and I will leave it in the description below. So you just go and copy the custom HTML code and come and remove this one. So here, this is the custom HTML code, so I'm going to copy all. So Control A and then copy. Then I come to this one, Control A, then I delete it. Now I paste it. I paste the one I've copied, that's the custom one. So it's now pasted. After it's done, then you have to make sure that there's no space. It starts from 1. Then come and click on Save Theme. So when you click on Save Theme, as you can see, it has been saved. So now let's view the blog and you see how it will look like. So this is how the blog is now showing, meaning no posts. Look at the previous one. This was the previous one. Now that we've changed the theme, this is now how it looks like. So now you have done with the customization of your free BlogSpot page. So now the next thing to do is to head to ClickBank. So you can type clickbank.com in your browser, clickbank.com, and then go and create an account with ClickBank. It's free to create an account with them. Once you've created an account with them, then this is what you will see. You will see this interface. This is one of my demo accounts, ClickBank accounts. So once you are here, the first thing to do is to click on this place where it says Marketplace. When you click on the Marketplace, then you scroll down, you will now see this place where it says Category. So from here, you select the category of product you want to promote. So if you are in the making money online business, you can select e-business and e-marketing. You can select any of the category you want to promote. So in this case, I'm going to select e-business and e-marketing. So when I click on it, I'll wait for the subcategory to open. So these are the subcategories. So I'll go through this products and see the one I want to promote. So let me say I want to promote this one 30 minutes money method. So from here, to promote this link, you come and click on this place where it says promote, or you can read about it to see if you like it, and you see that you can make something out of it. Then you come and click on promote. Once you click on promote, this pop-up window will appear where you have to put your tracking ID. Give it any name if you want to track your earnings, to see which of your earnings. Let's say you have different program you are promoting, you can give each of them a ID so that you'll be able to know the one that you've made money from. So here I'm going to type this CLK. So I click on create. When I click on create, then it will give you my affiliate link. This link is what I'm going to use to promote the product. So this is my link. So I copy the link. When I copy the link, okay, so now that the link is copied, what I have to do is to go back to the BlogSpot page that we've created. So I then come to new posts. So once I'm here, I'll have to give it a title. Here the title, I can get it from the main page, that's the program or the product page here, 30 minutes money methods. Then I come and paste it here. Then there is another code that we have to integrate our affiliate link into it. This code will help us to promote the link direct, so that anyone who clicks on the post will be taken to the main page for the product. So now I will leave the link also in the description below. So this is the link, iframe dash is equal to iframe src dash, then here you put your link and then close it. So from here you go back to where the link is, your affiliate link is, you copy it, then you come back to this place where it says put your link here, you then paste your affiliate link there, then you copy everything. Once you copy everything, you come back to the blogger, that's the post you are writing. Once you are here, you click on HTML. When you click on HTML, then you paste what you've copied. When you paste it, then you can now, when you say this, you can dismiss it, don't worry, then you publish it. So when you publish it, okay, now it has been published, it has now been published. So let's click on it and you see what will happen. Beautiful. As you can see, once you've clicked on the link, that's the post link, this one, once you click on this one, it will automatically direct you to the affiliate link page. So from here, anyone who has clicked on your link will be brought to this page, and from here the person can view the video and then go and make the purchase without any hassle. So from here, what you have to do is to make sure that you copy this link, you copy this your blog page link, this one, you copy everything. When you copy everything, tiny URL, you click on tiny URL. This is a URL shortener because this thing is too long, you cannot use it to promote your this link is too long, you cannot use it to promote your link, your affiliate product. You have to shorten it to look so nice. So here we wait for the tiny URL to load and then we shorten the URL. This URL is what we are going to use to be posting in many of the Facebook groups and pages that you belong to. So once you are here, you paste the URL. When you paste it, then you click on make tiny URL. Okay, so now this is your URL, it has been shortened, so you can just highlight everything and copy it. You right click on it and then copy it. Okay, now that the link is copied, what you have to do is to go to Facebook. When you go to Facebook, you then go to the search bar on the Facebook. Here you come and search for a keyword that is related to the product that you've chosen to promote. So in this case, I'm going to search for a group that is purposely meant for making money people. That's people who are on Facebook looking for a way to make money online. So when I type that keyword, as you can see, these are the results for that keyword. So these are the various groups which are meant for making money online. So what you have to do is to join these groups. Once you join the group, then you now wait for the approval from the administrator. Once you are approved, you can now start writing a post on the group. This post should be a catchy one which will need more people to be interested in your posts. So when you write a post, you can write a catchy post that is make money by sending email or make money by testing app. If you want to know much about this, then click on this link to learn more. Then at that place you now put the link that you've copied from the tiny URL. So anyone who clicks on that link will now be taken to your affiliate product page. That's where the person can read much or more information about the products. So once you are able to go through all the processes, that's all. You are now done with your promotion. With this, many people can be able to see the product that you are promoting and then go and purchase the product for you to also get a commission from that. So thank you for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos to come. Thank you and have a nice day. Bye.